1/4 mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in today's project, I'm going to be using some leftover Sherpa material that I've used in the previous project, and I'm going to be creating one of those stylish Sherpa belt bags that you can see in a lot of different stores. They usually cost a lot more. I'm going to be creating it for a lot less. So if you want to see how this DIY turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So to get the project started, I cut some of the Sherpa material that I was going to need to cover the front side, and I just cut it down so I would have a smaller amount of material to work with. And then I added glue around the sides of the material that I cut so I could fold over the seams so that all of the edges would look seamless. And then I used hot glue to add the material to the front of the bag, and I made sure that I followed the seam that was already on the bag, and I added the material right underneath the zipper to make sure that it was still going to be able to zip in everything successfully. And then I follow the same process for gluing the sides to the bag as well. And while I was gluing down the edges, I also made sure that I did get some glue in the center of the bag so that the material would stay tacked down in the center as well as the edges. And then after I got the front covered, then I flipped it over on the back, and I started with the back, and I just used one piece of material to cover the entire back portion of the bag. just making sure that I smooth down the material as I glue everything to the bag. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.